Kentucky gonna courthouse.
For do.
The food them I sell, I've been too much back to you and sick of my Kentucky. I Kentucky myself. Kentucky how we have again. Them get so into foreign. The man them nah do them.
To block man. Hey. Hi.
Yeah, I. How much baby I have?
Jesus Christ.
How much baby I have? How much baby I have?
Where you streaming from, Wagwan?
You know, it's not like African. More admire sex in it. You have children?
Hey. What you saying?
If your wife have children, she have any children?
I'm trying to play game, but they're not.
You have children? But give me one. You want to play? Ask them or give them one play sexy game.
Ask them.
They can ask. But give me one to play.
What we play?
Game, you know. It's friction game I'm playing. Friction. Virtual. You want to interview me? Ask what you want to ask me. What kind of game you want to play? Game? What kind of game? Politics game.
Let's see with that money that you gave me. Rubbish.
Yeah, I understand you. Yeah. You look nice, you're not African. You're looking nice. As I say, how much children you have? You're looking nice. How much children?
Nice.
Yeah. How much children you have?
What?
How much children you have? Children. Kids.
Oh, children?
I don't have any children though. I don't have only.
You don't have no children. You have 7, but you don't have none. Not with you.
Yeah. He has 7, I have none, yes.
With you?
Where?
7 with you?
No.
No, he has
Where you
7.
streaming from Africa?
It sounds like an African accident. That is nice. I like to talk to African people, you know, because my ancestors is from Africa. Congo. I'm a slave baby. I'm a slave baby.
Guys.
I dress me as a slave baby. I'm a slave baby.
There are accident, you say, no?
Slave baby. I'm a slave baby. So I dress me as a slave
Them
baby.
ask where you come from.
Okay, that's very
I'm
good.
Jamaican. I'm in Jamaica, right?
Hey, 17 roses of one hand heart. Hey.
You like your or them? You
Like them accent.
eh?
Like them accent. Remind me of my ancestors.
Guys, look at 17 roses.
Like the accent. I love the accent. It reminds me of my ancestors. I like your accent. So where in Africa you is now? I said, what you there now?
Nigeria.
Nigerian? Where?
Nigeria.
Oh, now the rocking dolly round there, you know. You know my rocking dolly? Sideline dolly. Missing Nicky Lee there. No, I have a friend named Nicky Lee in Nigeria. The rocking dolly look on.
Because how you picked them?
Alright, here we go now.
Jersey, thank you.
Look at the fire.
They don't feel the for me. I must have people on the phone.
Baby love. Dark beauty. African girl. Shaggy. Bye-bye.
Talk with
Baby love.
Talk with you and talk with.
Ah man, they don't want to talk about her pussy.
Talk about it.
No, nobody that fear sense.
You ain't breed yet. You individually. Dark beauty. African girl. You ain't breed yet.
Wait, alright.
No
Don't
man,
want to do that.
yeah.
Hold them up.
That's how look back the man.
Yeah, look at them.
Alright, yeah.
Guys,
Then you not breed yet.
they said they want a long time with
You
me.
not breed yet. No. You man tell fit and shit.
They said they miss me on my side of the bed.
Yeah, you girl.
You just side of the
So,
Him new girlfriend. Your new wifey.
I'm not his girlfriend though. I'm not his girlfriend.
Yeah, I'm lady friend.
No, brother.
Then a lady friend. How much year old he is? How much year old he is? Go up and game happy. How much year old he is? 30. She said, Bella. You know what attack your age?
But he wants to give me a child. No. No. No, 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 no.
Ah, you not attack your age. You look like about 25.
No.
Literal.
You look
No.
like 20. You younger than that? You're 22. He's 22.
How old am I?
22.
22.
Oh, you. 22.
Yes, 22.
24. Oh, get it right. 22. 22. Yeah,
Yes,
I mean, yes.
22.
I ain't not breed yet. You don't have no picnic. You don't have no children. You're 22, I ain't have no children. I'm
I
fine.
don't have children.
Time for you have picnic now. My mother have me when she had 21. Kuchang come out at the come out at 21 she have me.
I have to take her off how long she bored.
African girl.
Jeremy, I'm going to turn this and try other person and see if male or female. Hi. You're female? I'm asking a Jeremy.
Yeah, you are. He said he's a female. Yeah, man. Boy, just put you know.
She hang up. She look like she's a male.
Male.
Yeah.
Bumbo clad. I said, man, him pretty. Not for real. I can't believe. Boy, just pretty, you know, man. And the prettiest man, I say,
No, me
boy,
have to
just.
ask. It's me get trick yesterday. We have to run.
The prettiest man, I say, what the place was a boy, yard.
The day I start eating, I never give a cat none.
No, man. No, not eat. Now, for cooking for you, man. Nah, you them. Them get on go and pay meat and fish.
Eh?